In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions on Eventbrite. This is a valuable skill for anyone organizing an event. By adding questions, you can gather important information from your attendees during checkout. This will ensure your event runs smoothly and meets everyone's needs. Let's dive into the steps. First, you need to sign into your Eventbrite account. Use your email and password to access your dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If you encounter any problems, try resetting your password. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. Next, head over to your event dashboard. This is your command center. Here you can manage all aspects of your event. From this dashboard, you can access various settings and features that will help you control your event's details. Now find and select the event you want to work on. With your event selected, click on Order Options. This is where you'll set up how attendees purchase their tickets. From there, choose Order Form. This form is crucial as it defines what information you gather during the ticket checkout process. Now let's focus on the Questions section. Under the Questions section, click the search bar. Here you can type the question you want to ask, such as phone number or dietary requirements. Eventbrite might suggest questions based on your input. If a suitable suggestion appears, feel free to select it. This can save you time and effort, ensuring your question is phrased correctly. If no suggestion fits your needs, click the plus icon to create a new custom question. This allows you to tailor questions specifically to your event. Custom questions are perfect when you have unique requirements or specific information you need to collect. Now, let's set up your question. Choose the type that best fits your needs. You have several options: text, multiple choice, drop-down, checkbox, or waiver. For example, if you're asking about dietary restrictions, a drop-down or text option might be best. This ensures you gather precise information without overwhelming respondents. Decide whether the question is required or optional. Marking a question as required means attendees must answer it to proceed. This is important for collecting essential information such as contact details. However, optional questions can be useful for gathering additional insights without pressuring attendees. Next, choose who should answer the question, the ticket buyer or each attendee. This distinction matters because sometimes the buyer may not be the attendee. Ensuring the right person answers will give you accurate data. Once everything is set, click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures your changes are applied. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your question has been successfully added to the form. An important tip to remember is that you can add multiple questions. They will all appear during ticket checkout, allowing you to gather comprehensive information. Additionally, you can edit or delete questions later if needed. Simply return to the order form section to make any changes. By following these steps, you can tailor the checkout process to fit your event's needs. This will help you collect relevant information efficiently and improve the overall experience for your attendees. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy event planning.